All right, hello everybody. This video applies to any students in my courses in spring 2020 as we're moving everything online. I wanted to show you guys what the homework is going to look like. So good news, it's going to be very similar to what we've been doing, except for the obvious fact that I can't really assign you the problems on the board since we're not all together. So every homework assignment, this is for a particular class, but yours will be similar. Every homework assignment is going to have two parts. Here you can see at the bottom of the screen homework 9 cards and then homework 9 solution check. And so what you're going to do for both of these is you're going to upload something. So for the cards, homework 9 cards, you're going to upload a PDF of your card just like you would if we were in class. So exactly the same thing you've been doing. Take a picture on your phone. There's lots of apps out there that will convert it to a PDF. If I can set this to accept pictures as well, I will, but I would prefer in general PDFs. And if there's any assignments you turn in, that's going to have to be a PDF as well. There's free apps that will turn everything into a PDF. You should be able to handle that. So you just upload a picture of your card. It doesn't even have to be on a card. You can just write down the problems on a sheet of paper or something where I can see and upload it. And then the other part, the solution check, what is that? So once the homework is due, typically it's going to be due at 11:55 on a certain day. I would have made it 11:59 p.m., but Campus Web only works in intervals of 5 minutes. So whatever the due date is, the time is always 11:55 p.m. And then 24 hours later, the solution check is due. And so what happens is at the moment you upload your homework, when it's up, then what's going to happen is the solutions are going to go live under handouts. So if you'll go over to handouts, you'll be able to find the solutions. You'll see homework 9 solutions. And at the top of the solutions, let me pull it up, is going to be a file. I can't find my buttons here. It's going to be a file that looks like this. So here's the example from Calculus 1. So it's going to have all the problems. If I've broken it up into parts, then you can select the parts, otherwise select the problem. And I just want you to go through each problem, and I want you to check your work. I'll have the solutions below. They're not here on this one, but you'll scroll down and you'll find the solutions. And you'll check your work with my work, and you'll mark what you've got correct and what you didn't get right, but you corrected, or what you did not get. And I don't care on this one. If you miss them all, that's fine. If you correct them all, that's fine. Whatever, the goal is that you're going to work through the solutions and you're going to figure out what you missed and get it right. For the grading, I'm going to give you 1 point for doing this regardless of what happened. Does that make sense? So you can get a 0 on your card and you can still get the full 1 point here if you'll simply work through the solutions and check them. This is all on the honor system. However much work you put into this is what you're going to get out of this. Even though we're moving everything online and we're not face-to-face and all the instruction level has changed, you still need to learn this material so that you can go on and be successful in other courses or in other things. And if you'll put in the time and the effort, I believe you can do that. So let me know if there's any questions. That's the way that we're going to do homework for the rest of the semester, unless I ask you to turn in something.